DJI officially announced the Neo 2 drone will launch in Europe, Canada, and Brazil on November 13, 2025. A new compact drone that replaces the existing DJI Neo. Its weight is 151 grams. The drone removed the updated battery with a capacity of 1606 meg. The storage capacity is from 32 to 49 gigabytes. The Neo 2 retains a half-inch sensor, but has a wider field of view of 119.8 degrees, equivalent to a 16.5 mm focal length and f/2.2 aperture. The camera can record video in 4K format at a frequency of 60 or 100 frames per second, and the maximum video bitrate has increased to 80 megabits per second. DJI had intended to release the Neo 2 for $429, 399 euros, and 349 pounds in the US, the Eurozone, and the UK. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.